Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I need to say something. Good evening, everyone. We are live on Zoom. Then we are also live on YouTube. We are live on Zoom and we also live on YouTube. So you can be able to join through any of the channel. Um. Okay. Some people are here on my Zoom. Cynthia. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I hope you are cashing out. I already know that you're a trader.
No, I'm not. Not
Eh,
now.
You're not cashing out.
No, no. I just started the class today. This is my first class with you.
Okay, oh, you're not the Cynthia I know. Oh, I'm so sorry. There's a Cynthia that you've been training with her for more than 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. I thought you're the Cynthia that I know. Yeah. He's been training with her for more than like last year July when Iran and the US stuff started. She made double of her trade. Like um we bought, so we didn't sell, but she bought and also was able to sell.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, so I always know her from by that, and then she have been joining our meeting once in a while too. So her name is Cynthia, so I thought it's the same Cynthia. Mm.
I hope I can cash out like her soon too.
Yeah. It's just matter of being determined. She's actually a very good trader. Yeah, she does. I think both manual and automation. I think so. Oh, so she's very good. We train her on training.
Okay.
So we are waiting for more people to join. We have sent the invitation to more people that are supposed to join here. Um, those of you that are on our Instagram, you could also, if you want to join me live, like where you can talk to me, you can also connect to my Zoom meeting. Yeah, and able to talk to me live on the Zoom. Okay, so you have joined me. Felix have joined me. I'm waiting for additional couple of number of persons, about 5 additional persons we reserve the slot for. So shall we give them more time? Oh, my camera is not really pure. Uh, my camera is not really pure. My camera. Can you guys see me clearly?
We can't see you now. There's a picture, a profile picture on your.
Oh, a picture.
Yes.
Uh, Mr. Felix, are you making money from the trading?
Mr. Osho, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, the copy trade, I have a copy trade system. That one was in profit today. Today I was very happy.
Oh, okay. You're cashing out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I
Mm.
have a challenge with. I don't know if you can help, you can be of help to me.
Okay, what
GFT,
challenge?
GFT. I'm trying to reach their customer support, but they are not. It's not been coming through for me. And I have a withdrawal problem.
That is what you can only maybe discuss with us, like personally.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna go straight to the point now. Because I don't like to waste much of the time. In case other person that's supposed to be here join us, then we'll be able to this meeting is recorded. At least two persons have told me to record it for them. Yeah, so it's recorded, and we're gonna let them know about it. So today's meeting is a special meeting. We're also gonna wait. There's additional few people that will join us here. So anytime we see their name, I will be able to allow them in. Yeah, so it's gonna be quick and precise, and this is one of the major meeting where we discuss the concept of how we can make money in trading. So we discuss the concept of how we can make money through trading. You can be trading, but you may not be profitable. That's the truth. Why other people are doing well and they are profitable. So for you to make profit in trading, you have to have like a structure. Kind of those structures help you to be profitable. So when you don't have the structure, you can't be profitable like that. That's the truth. So when you don't have the structure, you can't be profitable. So you need to build a structure that makes you a profitable trader. So I'm sharing my screen now with you. I hope you guys can see my screen. Yeah, but I have new people here. First of all, before I continue today, I want to welcome them. Yes, I was told new people join us today. New people join us today. People were invited that this meeting is supposed to pay for it, but we are giving to you free. We have let me start from Mr. Andrew. Yeah, let me start from Mr. Andrew. Your name is new, Andrew James. Andrew, good evening. And where are you connected from?
Good evening. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
everybody.
Good evening.
I'm calling from Oyo State,
Oh, your state.
but although I
Oh, okay.
stay in short.
Oh, okay. Are you a trader or you're just starting?
Yeah, I've been trading for some years, but not consistent at all.
Oh, I see. Okay, that means you join us to be kind of enhance your trading skill, probably become more consistent.
Yes, to be consistent and to be consistently profitable.
I understand. Okay, yeah, that is one of the reasons of this meeting. So if you join us, there are two ways you can make money from us. Yeah, so if you join us as a learner, you could be able to like trade together with us. Like, when we trade, you trade. That's why we always share our trade with people that we are learning, teaching how to trade or under mentorship. Then another way you can automate your trade. You could copy all our trade. Not forest copy. We have a advanced platform that allow you copy, like duplicate all our trade automatically. So it's designed for working professionals. Or you could do hedging. Hedging strategy alone give us 70% profit last year. Yeah. Only hedging without trading, hedging it. $10,000 becomes $17,000. We made more money last year more than the real estate guys because they are not able to make that type of money that we made. Yeah. So we also have okay, we have a new person, Sandra, which look like new name. It looks like my name. My name. Are we related or something? Sandra Uche. This is my first time of seeing someone that bears my name here. Can I talk to you, Sandra?
Yes, I'm here. Good evening, everybody.
Oh, good evening. Yeah, where are you connected from?
Okay, I'm based in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. I'm a real estate broker, so I'm quite enthusiastic about will I call it trading commodities? Like I have interest there.
Oh, okay. Today I spoke with a real estate broker today as well.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
yeah. Okay, so you specialize on real estate. We have opportunity on real estate that's very massive and powerful that could give you a lot of money. Yeah, so
Oh, really?
I spoke to one of the biggest investment company in Ikoyi. They have to schedule meeting with me when they heard about it. Yeah, they are security dealing company, asset management, like those SEC license entity that does on almost
Okay.
everything. Yeah. And in
Okay.
fact, look at it here, Seth. It's even here. I've not closed it. So we have investment project on on flipping
Wow.
on flipping,
Okay.
the way you could invest in the UK and the Canadian real estate company, real estate,
Wow,
then
that's
you could be able
fantastic.
to make more money of it, like you could make up to 20 something to 30% or more. So depending, like we flip properties. Yeah, so we could
Okay.
partner with you on that aspect where we could
Okay,
discuss
that's good.
option of flipping, where we flip on
Okay.
different real estate project. It's not we don't buy and develop. We only flip.
Sleep.
Like
Okay, yeah. You just said everything.
yeah. So take the struggling ones that are not good, put them into the market standard. The market will add value. We push it to the real estate bank. They pay us cash. Then we make our profit.
Okay.
Then we also have
That
rent
is
to
good.
rent. We also have rent to rent where you rent from the people that want guarantee return of their
Investment. Yeah,
uh,
investment.
no guarantee return of their house rent. So guarantee payment of your house rent. They will give them
Okay,
either
okay.
upfront so that no issue, they're not struggling with any tenant. Then when I rent the
Okay.
property out, then I make more money
Okay.
from it. So
Okay.
on that note, sometimes we can make 50% profit from it almost every month. And sometimes we
Oh,
could make
wow.
more. As you can see, this projection, it's a professional projection from financial planners. Those of you that have been with our trading school, I think you have been taught about financial planning, right? So all these things we are teaching you, these are things we do, but we only teach you trading because that's what you paid for. If you come to me, you see a lot of options you could use to make mad money.
Wow.
So we have a lot of that. Maybe we could talk on that too. So if you want to
Yes.
expand the opportunity with us, fine. So we could be able to connect and you can maximize your return. To be honest, you're gonna make a lot of money from it anyway.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
You're gonna make
Okay.
a lot of money
So,
from it. Yeah.
okay. Thanks.
So are you a trader or you are just starting?
I don't know shit about this whole trading thing. I only tried my hands in forex, got burnt, and then I gave up.
Uh,
Flew my
you
flew my
burn your
risk
hand.
away.
They took you to hospital.
I lost like $1,000. That shouldn't be much for some people, but that was a massive discouragement for me. Like
Oh, I see.
I kind of true, but I've always been somebody that's I want to make more, and I like engaging my mental energy or thereabouts. Like so,
Mm-hmm.
I love commodities. I read the news around about the world. I watch Bloomberg.
Mm-hmm.
So I really want to, this kind of thing about creating generational wealth
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
spreading it in systems.
yeah,
So I believe that stocks is one of the ways to spread your money in systems that will give you returns in the
yeah.
long run or even in the short run. So that's my enthusiasm here. Um,
Okay, okay.
yeah,
Oh,
that's so if you
we
can
specialize we
just
specialize in all apart from stock. Yeah,
okay,
but we are building an app that could allow us to tap into some of the stock market. I don't know the one we're gonna focus on. Whether we focus on blue chip company like foreign stock companies, the one we are
tech
focusing on
companies,
more, or we're gonna
people,
focus on Nigerian market. Yeah, because we have a lot of Nigerian audience.
okay,
So we specialize on commodity like these days. We specialize mostly on crude oil and gold. So on the goods aspect, we deal on spot commodity. So we deal on futures, then
okay,
we deal on derivative. So after we teach you finish, you can be able to specialize. Even on agro commodity, we deal on agro commodity, but we don't have much volume on it.
okay.
Like last year, we got a lot of ginger contracts to trade on. Yeah,
Oh
but
wow.
we got a lot of them. Because ginger is about $5,000 plus now per ton. When we
Wow.
started it, it was less than that. So if you have ginger now, you're gonna be a millionaire. Yeah.
Oh. So
So
and you guys also deal with, okay, is it just about the trading? Do you guys also like deal with farmers that do ginger?
we deal with everything from off
Marketing.
taker to the exchange to the
Oh wow.
the off takers have to do they deal with mostly with farmers, but we also
Yes.
have our own farm. Like we have our farm, like we farm. Then we also partner with some of the farmers. Like I trade through exchange. So the advantages of it is that all my our products is already available for a buyer. Like now,
Wow.
when I'm talking about the real estate, I told you, are you different? Yeah, Uche, yeah. When I'm talking about the real estate, I'm telling you, all
I
my product on
am.
real estate is already available for a buyer. Not where, not
Okay.
where I'll be making us looking for individuals. I'm already like dealing in the market. So the real estate bank takes everything immediately I finish. So,
Okay.
do you understand? So that's the advantage you get from us, where the market is already there, the liquid is there. The person that will buy it is there. So when we talk of ginger, we deal on the one that on exchange, and the buyers come through the exchange to buy them with the certification of good quality and everything. And then now settlement bank does the settlement, everything. So it's different from when you have it and you're not going to black market start looking for who to buy, who to sell. That's not. I mean, everything for us is converted to investment approach because that's where you get the
Okay.
test of it. Yeah.
Okay.
So we can teach you everything that you need to know about it. Like that's where luckily I'm sharing this page with you. So you see all the courses that we offer. We offer course on wealth management. So on that wealth management, you will see how you can magnify those. Sorry. Uh, how you can magnify those like all this knowledge, like make them more accessible where you can get funding and a lot of subjects like
Yeah.
when we're talking about commodity now, how can you bring a wealth manager, how can you like somebody you turn commodity system, you turn into wealth management structure where an investor can actually invest on it, and stuff like that. Then we also do courses on real estate. Then we do courses on equity investing. Then we do courses, we do investors course. This one now is grouped under investors course because you can like we are teaching you now how you can be able to do all these things now. So we do courses on investment banking. Investment banking, I help you, allow you to know how you can structure a product to become more understandable to investors, and they can be able to like invest on it. How you can be able to reach potential investors. How you can be able to create something that is not even people does not even see as a potential investment asset. How you can create it to become an investment asset. It has connection with wealth management. Yeah, if you understand investment banking, you know how you can like modify everything that you are doing and turn them into something serious. Yeah. On a general note, everybody does this one, forex. Yeah, some people that we do this one to forex trading, but this is the one I told you now. Gold futures, derivative and spot. You see spot, so we deal on spot. So this course today we will expose you to spot. So how you know how you can be able to deal on the spot exchange automatically. Of course, you know about crypto derivative and crypto trading. We do that, but we don't have strong courses on it. But these are the courses we offer. Then we also have special course on crude oil trading, including crude oil futures, crude oil spot. So we have special courses on it. And we can also help you get you export license, commodity trading license in Nigeria. Yeah, if you need it, in case you want to deal with Nigerian market and you want to deal within the Nigerian exchange and connecting you from the buyers international and the exchange, because there's a group where you have to belong to. Yeah, you see all the farmers in Nigeria, all the buyers. There's a lot of buyers from Netherlands, a lot of buyers from India, a lot of buyers from China, a lot of buyers from France. So they connect through those type of
So if I
those,
want to go big, on ginger, it's encouraging to beside this trading thing.
yeah. It's encouraging. I have shall I say a mentee? I was one that taught her trading, so she did more on ginger. She specialized more heavily on ginger.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
I have a
last two
few
years
investors.
we got a contract of supplying. We got a contract of supplying $10 million worth of ginger.
Wow.
Yeah, but we could not because we don't even have the quality. So when they give you letter of credit, they say if you bring 10 billion, we will buy. But you don't have capacity to supply it. They supply the one you can supply and leave it. But they must buy through exchange. Understand? That's why you need to understand what I'm talking about. It's not that they'll send you money in your bank, you go to Ladipo or buy container and send them. No, everything must be through certified exchange because that is what they are. These are company. There's a certain standard you must meet. So that's
Yeah.
why we talk about spot exchange. You buy through a regulated exchange. All the process, everything that passes through exchange. Exchange satisfy it and stamp it for you that this is a good exchange, and they will see it and place the order and connect. But they are buying from you. They see that you be listed there probably through the broker, through a commodity-based broker in Nigeria that you list it from. So it's a little bit of process, but so if you close one deal in a year, you may retire for 5 years. You know, go work again till you finish the money. Then you come back again, you close another deal, you retire because the money you have will be enough to keep you if you're just like chilling. So that's it. There are a lot of options, only that people doesn't really pay attention to too much anyway. Yeah. So these are the courses we offer. So we can be able to provide you any of this training, specialized training where you can be able to, like scale. Then we're also building a strong networking community where you can be able to network, see more options. In case you have money, don't even know how to utilize them. We have all these options. Yeah. And we can also provide funding account to those that are trying to learn trading, like derivative and the CFD trading. They can use it to learn trading while they are learning from us, so that they will not go and burn their fingers. If they're not able to understand it, they can leave. By that time, but if they understand it and make profit, they can withdraw the profit, so they're not losing anything. Yeah, we have a course on data analysis and security, cyber security. You need it if you're dealing on finance trading. You need to know how to extract data, analyze it, especially when it has to do with this. We have a courses on that too. We do it once in a while. Then it will help you to become a very sophisticated and a strong trader. Yeah, I think I've given you enough now.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's quite
So
clear.
what brought us today is this topic: how to construct your trading, like a structural trading system, using automated trading and gold hedging. Muche, let me call you Sandra, right? Let me use you as a case study. You say you burn your hand in trading. You put $1,000 and you burn
Sorry.
it. So I will tell you one of the
Yes.
reasons why you burn it. You may think that you're not able to trade. Maybe the mentor didn't teach you well. It could be,
Yes.
but one of the major things that affect trading or traders losing capital is not having a structure, like a proper structure. So with us, we develop a system that prevents you from losing capital. Now they don't have you get to exposure to risk. Let me come out this. It's making me look like a pastor, as if I'm preaching. So you have that exposure to risk, and because of trading has to do with leverage. Leverage is like magnifying your money to trade more. Do you understand? And at the same time, the strategy that your mentor or you were exposed to can also contribute. But one of the major factors that we are teaching now is whether you are much exposed to much risk or not, it will help you to be a very profitable trader. And that strategy is this strategy we are sharing with you. Because we have a system that could allow you to structure that at $1,000, assuming it is now that you started it, and you'll be able to start having a very good start and the potentiality of making good amount of profit and managing your risk at the same time. So that structure now is what we have now. We call it a gold hedging structure, where you can hedge your account, where you can hedge that your $1,000 you are trading with physical gold. Were you taught about this as well when you were learning, Sandra?
I wasn't told. They didn't even mention this. They just told us. They just told us how to take loss do Kineko, and then we just saw that I placed a trade, and then my money was just going. I didn't even know how to,
How
you
to stop
know,
it.
I had stop loss, so the whole this thing just wiped. And at
I
that
know.
point, I gave up. I ran for my life.
I know. I know. Some of the
Always that
brokers are
stop loss thing. When
some of
to
the
stop
brokers
loss.
available are also sophisticated. Are also not good. So brokers are not good.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm. They
And
are
they
not
were
good.
impatient. They were just in a hurry, to get their fee, and then allowed us in the wilderness. Quite many of us made losses, and then we gave up,
Yeah,
chewing the
it's
towel down.
we know. I've been here for 17 years in trading, so I know almost all
Wow.
the whole. I know. If you're doing something that will make you lose, I may not tell you, or I may also tell you. Yeah. Do you know why I say I may not? Depending on how the person is doing it. So some of the ethics of this business that sometimes you don't advise. You just drink water and be shaking up. Okay, that you drink your water, you shake it. Okay, let's try it because the person may end up gaining. If you want to advise, the person lose money, the person may blame you. But we already know that most likely things that will work, most likely things that will not work. Do you understand now? We know most likely what you'll be doing. Like when somebody is teaching you trading, what the person is teaching you, I will know whether this thing will work for you or not. Now, if a broker is teaching you or somebody, a broker is teaching you, a broker who is trading, obviously the one trading for against you, would like to teach you proper way how you can make profit.
Mhm.
Yeah, I struggled last 2 years to partner with some Nigerian-based broker. One of them asked me a question. I've never forgotten it. He asked me if I'm teaching you guys how to trade. I say yes. They say no, they're not interested.
Whoa.
Yeah, they told me clear they're not interested. Why? Because they wanted it to be that since I'm a little bit influential in the industry, they will use me to be bringing them. I should not be just teaching them. I should just be like bringing them anyhow. Once they
Whoa.
hear that they're gonna trade, I say yes. They have to trade with me. They say they're not interested. That was how that did died. Do you know why? Because they know that if Mr. Uche, if I'm teaching you guys trading. You guys are trading with us. There are chances of you people making profit and to put them at risk. So they don't want that.
Whoa.
So do you understand now? Some of this
Yeah.
some of this can contribute. You won't know because they're not putting you on the right financial market. What you are seeing is OTC, the one that is just within them. So this meeting now
Mhm.
will expose you to a lot of things. Then you see the actual way. I think he did on real estate. When somebody say he is into real estate now, you know when your money is going to real estate market directly or not. At least
Of course.
you see the
Yeah.
property. Yes.
Yeah.
So some of these things that teaching you, they're not actually putting you directly to the right financial market. So these are some of unethical practices we see in the market. I'm not saying it's bad or it's good, but sometimes if a broker does not have big amount of money that is leveraging on people's coming into deposit to make money, the traders may not have good trading experience, so it can contribute. Then another option is this option I'm giving you now, which no broker is doing it in Nigeria. We're the only company you could trade with, and you will not lose your capital if you follow our own
Wow.
instructions. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Because that system allow you to hedge. You can hedge up to 50% of your capital on gold. Let's say you have that $1,000. Instead of putting all of them in trading, you split it 50% into trading, 50% into gold hedging. And where is this gold? Through the exchange. Because I'm an exchange-based trader, so I have access to direct exchange.
Wow.
Do you understand now? Now,
Yes, sir.
now this structure so also allow you to mirror our trade. This is a company, so we have a portfolio with them. Let me repeat it again so that you won't get everything confused. Everybody listen to me. We are about nine here. We have our own portfolio for them, like our own group with them. So traders who belong to our own group can copy our own trade. I mean, all the trade now, you can mirror our trade. It's not like regular forex copy, This is multi-account management platform, MT5. We have the license that allow you to mirror all our trade. Today, we have not lost any trade. We have done more than 5 trades. We have gained all of them. And we have more that we are still gaining. The way I'm seeing the market, we are still getting a lot of money. Because something is happening within Iran and the United States. We are getting mad money. And you guys came at the right time. Yeah. So this structure now allow you to mirror all our trades, even when you are learning or when you are trading. but you're busy. You could see that we are doing well this today. You could mirror because of this structure also is hybrid. No, you know what is called hybrid? Cynthia, let me divert small. Cynthia, you know what is called hybrid?
No.
Hybrid,
No.
it's like when you go to work, you work from Monday to Wednesday at home. Then Thursday, Friday, you come to office. That's hybrid. When they ask you to do something here, later you can switch it to this place. Like now, let's say there's a car that has manual. Those car that has electric and fuel is hybrid, meaning that the car can switch to electric. Maybe at the starting of the car, the battery will start the car. Then after a while, it will switch to fuel or diesel. That's hybrid. So the hybrid this system can allow you to, if you want to do the manual trading, fine. But let's say you're busy, you're going somewhere, or you could switch your account to automation, so you could switch in and switch out. You don't understand what I'm saying now? Yeah, that is that is hybrid because you may be trading, you may be busy, and something may be coming up. You may discover that maybe a strategy is not working. It could connect to another strategy that's working. That's why you call hybrid. Then you connect to it, and it's not working. Maybe when it's not working, either you're not making your desired profit or something, and you see something that work for you. You can say, okay, can I disconnect my account? You just like disconnect your account and go into manual. So that is hybrid. So you could copy all our trade automatically while you are learning how to trade. Then you can also trade manually while you are learning from us. Then at the same time, you could be able to allocate part of your trade in physical gold to prevent capital loss. Now look at how the platform look like. I'm coming on because of so many things may be going on your head. Be jotting your question down. So this is how the platform look like. Now this is the total allocation of gold. This is demonstration. It's not fully connected to the live market. This is demonstration. So this is, for example, total portfolio you have. About, let's say this is the total portfolio, and this is total amount of gold you are hedging, and this is like your total value. For example, let's say let's say you Sandra, let's say you want to deposit $1,000 to trade. As you can see now, so you could choose, of course, the trading platform you want. Then here now, you could say, okay, I don't want to risk all of them into trading. I want to put 30% into gold. So you could go here. You see that, are you see what I'm seeing? I'm sharing with you, Sandra,
Yes, I can see it.
and every other person too. So you could go here. You can put the $700 into your MT5 account and $300 into gold reserve. Do you understand? So now you have locked in $300. You still be making money from this $300 that is hedging, because when gold is going up, you be gaining money. But you be asking me why gold? Gold is in the financial market for hedging. That's why even as Iran and the US is fighting, and gold is going up. The only reason why the only usable thing about gold is used for hedging in the financial market. Apart from that, another thing that's used for hedging is property. Property is not really what the investors use first to hedge in the financial market, because property is not something they liquidate immediately. It's gold. They liquidate immediately. Gold is like equivalent to currency. They can liquidate it immediately. Property takes them time to liquidate. So that's why they use gold for hedging. So this is what institutional approach does in trading that will make you more superior, instead of you being a retail trader where you don't have any hedging that back you. You can lose everything. No. Remember, trading on CFD, it has to do with leverage. So that's one of the reasons why, even though you trade forex and you're not hedging it, you have risk. If you are trading commodity and you hedge it, then you also have much advantage where you have locked up. So you can also choose not to even. So you can say, okay, I want 50% hedge, and 50% on trading. This is also different from when you have your limit order, like stop loss or another risk management that you have. Do you understand? Now, Now, the broker we use to do all this is this broker. This is their website. I'm not promoting them because I'm not the ambassador, but I have to let you know. So they're one of the most licensed broker we use. So why are we using them? They are connected to the exchange. So as I said to you, they have features you can trade without leverage. Yeah, so you can trade commodity directly with them. They are multi-asset trading broker where you can connect, see a lot of licenses they have. Yeah, they have a lot of licenses, and they are connected to exchange. Some of you execution you see coming from them. Let's say crude oil. See, this is crude oil. If you go on crude oil, you check where they're coming from. They're coming from, where is it? I used to see it here. Market instrument. They used to come from New York Stock Exchange. The instrument here used to come from New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. They used to come here, marketing for, where is it? It used to come here. Maybe I'm not there. So most of the executions coming from here used to come directly from exchange direct, where you can be able to see your order executed. There's something I'm not seeing, Brent. I used to see it here before. Maybe they have changed it. But for the sake of time, I have to be fast. So this is the broker. Now it means, so if you have an account with this broker, you can connect to our mom, with the one that will give you the account, and it can be able to hedge here and diversify, because the broker will not hedge for you. Do you understand? Now, this is how it works. This is gold, for example. You see gold. Sandra, when you traded, you see that there's something like this before. This is gold.
Yes.
Gold is rising. Did you see something like this? Although this is a
Yes.
different platform. No, something like this. Look at where I'm securing.
Okay, no.
But you know what is called cash ESA, stock and shares.
I know about stock and share, yes.
These are not leverage product. They are like normal investment. So now you see how gold is rising. Let's say you are hedging. As gold keep rising, you see making money from that gold, because we could see it here. So when the price dropped, then you also see the value will drop. But gold is always on the rise. For example, now, when you see here, you could see the chart movement of gold. Let me go on monthly chart. You see 1 month chart. This is since 2018. Like for the past 10 years, gold has never dropped in value. This is 2017. This is 2019. This is 2020. You see how gold keep rising. So gold does not depreciate in value. That's what company uses for hedging. So imagine if you've been buying gold in that time. So even if you come to forex market or CFD market and buy gold on CFD, it is similar thing. Now the gold I showed you here is gold or spot. Do you understand? So this gold now is gold of spot. I want to put your mind that I want to show you how spot work. It is gold of spot exchange. This gold, you can see it's physical gold. So it's not paper. It's not paper gold or just a number. Physical gold executed through an exchange. Part of our gold is executed through Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange. They are still there. We bought them when they were so low. They were $39 per gram. Now check what gold is. It is still there. Yesterday I also spoke with Dr. Nande, one of their biggest thing. Part of our gold is executed on the exchange there, and the other one is executed across different exchange. But it's the same price, because the physical commodity is the one that drives the price of the thing you trade online. So what they do for you, what we call this abracadabra. You know, this church where they do abracadabra church. What they do that thing for you, where you and your friends went to cook that thing for you, or something. It's like try to mimic what is real, but they didn't give you the real thing. They understand. They mimic what is real, but they didn't give you the real thing. Then at the end of the day, you may not make good profit. Or perhaps maybe they are real, but they are not just interested to go deeper. Do you understand? Now, this is how you can come into trading, where you can be able to have a very structural trading system and make good amount of profit. As gold keep rising, the one you are hedging keep rising, you keep making money. And the one you're trading also, you keep rising, you also keep making money. And you, in case you are using it to trade crude oil and other things, you see, oh, we are making profit on oil, we are making profit, we are making more profit. Then you also will keep making this one is hedging, and this one will be making your profit at the same time. So we specialize in gold and crude oil. So we've been buying crude oil since last week. How many of you was with me last week here? How many of you? I want people can bear me. Okay, Jeto is here now. Jeto, I think you saw when I make this mark on my this thing, on my what do I call it? So this is what we'll be trading. We're expecting about $14,000 profit. Some of us have hit it already. Yeah, because the market is doing well. So we've been buying gold, and and of course we've been buying gold, and we've also been buying oil because of
Yes, I saw it.
Yeah. So we've been buying gold, and we've been buying oil, crude oil. We buy it on different structure. We buy it on CFD. We buy it on future. I think Jeto, you trade on option. Is it option you trade or swap? So Jeto trade on different. Jeto, you don't trade on CFD, right? It's a swap you trade on, or option. It's option, yeah. I think it's option.
Uh, yeah, I trade the futures. No, I trade futures, trade options.
Okay. So now we've been buying it both on CFD, we've been buying it both on we've been buying it on futures at the same time. But Jeto, I don't want to mention his location, but he trade on other exchange that give him access to trade options. Yeah. When I say option, it's not the gambling option you talk about. We're talking about proper option market, not the one you see online. Yeah. Then on the gold part, we trade on gold on futures, gold futures. We trade on gold CFD, then we trade on gold spot. So we give us access to diversified. Remember, the chart is the same. Chart will always go up and down, but it depends on the mode of trading, how you're able to diversify into your trading. Do you understand? Like today, the gold they have done. Look at oil. Oil alone, last gas has done 17% because of Iran and the US war and stuff like that. So now we understand these things, how it works, and we're able to maximize their potentials in trading them accordingly, and we are making good amount of money. So we were in the right place, and I would like you to come on board. Do you understand? So you may be thinking how you can start. The only thing you can do, you need to have an account with any of the brokers we are using. Then you verify that account and connect into the automated system. Like how it works. Yeah, look at how it works. Then you choose the broker, you verify it, like you set up the account, you do all this verification, then you can now quickly connect. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes. Yeah, then you connect. We still have trading going on this week because the market this week is very much good. The world is on tension, and we're using those things to make profit. Then, for those of you that want to learn trading, this meeting is designed for working class, because working class don't have all the time. That's why we give them a structure that work for them. So those of you that want to learn trading can actually register properly with us. Then we can carefully teach you manually how to place trade by yourself. Then you could trade your own account by yourself and grow. You can also trade together with us. You can also be hedging together with us and grow. So any question before we go into market analysis? Any question? Any question?
None for now.
Okay. Okay,
I
so
don't have either.
Okay, so but you understood everything. So
Yes, I think it's pretty clear so far.
It's
I
clear.
think what is left for me is just to connect that AVA to the GFTA thing.
yeah, yeah. So what else again do you think that you understood?
I think the big takeaway so far for me is just connect your AVA. So I mean, connect AvaTrade to this GFT, so you can go on. You can choose between automated or manual trading.
Then
That's
you can then you can hedge. You can choose to hedge part of your account.
yes.
Yes, so you can hedge part of your account on gold. And the advantage of it is that it will help you make dual profit. It will protect your account from capital loss. Do you understand? Yeah, so you
Yeah.
could protect your account from capital loss. So then you make it will also help you manage your risk. So these are three advantage. Help you on risk management, help you make profit, and it helps you prevent you from capital loss. So the same way I demonstrated it here. Yeah. So then you see the amount of profit, the amount of hedging, and stuff like that. Now, somebody have a question again. That's Andrew. Yeah, you can ask a question, Andrew.
Yes, yes. With this hedging, as much as I know for hedging, is to definitely help with your capital in cases of loss. No, but I know that it's not always that smooth. By that I mean sometimes what you are hedging against may have its own downtime. So how do we now, for example, in gold in this case, how do we now swap in case gold is going down? How do you now get to move the money from gold?
Oh, okay.
Did you get my
Yeah.
point?
Yeah. You asked a very intelligent question. Are you a trader already? So here,
Yes. I trade already, but not too deep.
and here, let's say I'm trading and I have some amount of money on my trading account. Look at it as a trading account is. So, and I've made some profit. I can move maybe, let's say, let me move 1 million. Then I move it quickly into gold, PIM. So now this will give me about 21 ounces of gold. And uh, 670 grams of gold. And this is the equivalent. That's okay, that's 100,000. That maybe is my profit. I can quickly like move it into gold immediately. Now I'm hedging on my gold. I know that's why you now become a superior trader. I'm hedging on my gold, and the gold price want to drop. Then I click on liquidate. Then when I click on liquidate, I move that gold I'm hedging. That gold I'm hedging, I will move it out from my hedging exchange, back to my trading account. Do you know about Cowrywise, Chaka, Bamboo?
Yes. I know those apps.
You know that they're connected to New York Stock Exchange, right?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they're connected to. That's why you can invest to New York Stock from them. I'm not promoting them. I'm not talking about them. So that let me also disclaim it. Now, what happens is that you can be in their app and see some stocks, buy direct stocks from there. So that's how this platform works. So it connects to different,
All right.
to the
See.
commodity market. We specialize more. We are not specializing on stock, so you can be able to navigate quickly, and your order will be executed and swap as fast as possible. Now, like why I come back to this platform now to the chart I'm showing you. Like, for example, you ask you ask kind of a superior question, which will make you a superior trader or investor. Now, let's say now you have understood how to read the chart. You know how the market move. Then you saw that this market came down or it was coming down. Do you understand? Now remember that you've been hedging your gold when gold was here and gold has gone up to this point. And you see that on the forex it has dropped. You know, market is market everywhere. Price goes up and then the mode of trading just what differs. So you may just quickly swap That's what makes me, I have more experience in trading than some of these people at HM because they don't even have access to the information that I have access to on this. So I can be able to monitor the trade here, understand it, make my decision. Because some of them don't have clear chart that tell them the price movement of all these things. But chat can help you. So now you could see it here, then you could move. Now, let's say you already a very advanced trader like this, they're using this advanced strategy like this now. Let's say you've been following up for a long time and you announce that gold is rising again. What are you going to do? You move your money from your trading back to gold. Maybe you move it when gold was here or when gold was here. Now look at where gold is. And this happened when? That just last month. Yeah, last month. This is new month, about a month ago. Then you move your asset back. Then the price was 4,006 something. Now the price is now 5,000. Do you understand? Then you now see that
Yes.
Iran is having
I'm
issue.
still pushing.
Yeah, it's still pushing. Then you move more access to gold. That you can, so you could hedge more on gold because you're making profit on when the gold spot is rising. And you could see it here on the trading chart that gold is rising. Then you can as well come here and click to buy gold as well. Remember, this is another method of trading, which what's that, my friend? Uche is also introduced. So you can as well come here, then click on buy. You buy gold. You are buying gold CFD while you're already holding gold or spot, which you are using to hedge the CFD. The same way Jeto is buying gold gold futures and hedging it with gold spot. The same instrument. It's either you buy or you sell. Either you trade as a future, as a spot, or as a CFD. Do you understand now? Then
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
then on automated part, the only difference is that you are flowing our own trade. Do you understand? Maybe you're busy, but you could be navigating to all these things. The only difference is just that you follow somebody's trade, think that this guy does well. I'm busy, let me just follow them. Or I'm learning, let me just follow them. But on the manual side, you don't even need automation. You be doing the same thing we are doing. You be yourself, buy yourself, save for yourself, swap, hedge, everything. So when people are talking about I lost my money, you be smiling because you know that you have a system that secured your capital and may give you more profit. There's no broker that has it now. I've not seen a broker that has hedging. Because this thing, you can only see it on institutional level. But we are beginning to you where you can be able to be an institutional guy, even though you want to, you have a retail account. Yeah,
All right, thank you.
yeah. So, are you our student or you are just coming by invitee?
I'm a student. I'm a new student. I just joined. This is my first class.
Okay, you're a paid student that want to learn.
Yes, correct.
Oh, okay. That means you have more advantage. Yeah. Okay. Cynthia, I have some names here. I didn't call all of your name when we started, but I'm so sorry. I'm still seeing Godwin Jerome at the same time, so I don't know. So now, this is all about gold hedging, how to structure your trading, and how you can make money this time around. That the market is seriously doing well based on the global conflict and whatever thing that's going on around the world. So oil is expected to continuously rising. They are expecting that oil may go to $90 per barrel. If the Strait of, can you pronounce that thing for me, Jeto? Strait of Hormuz. If the Strait of Hormuz is totally blocked, the price of oil will continue to go up. And
Yeah,
the price,
Hormuz.
yeah, Hormuz, yeah. So today there is a lot of strike. Every day strike is coming up, and Iran is not ready to surrender for now. So oil strategically may continue to go up because now there is serious bullish sentiment in the oil. So as we see the bearish that happen, the happen now, we should not just give up. This may not be bearish. If you may sell and you may be put yourself in trouble. Or if you are selling, always put a very tight stop loss in case you are selling, like on a proper risk measure. But what is happening now, the tension is still there. Donald Trump said that they're not gonna give up on striking. And then now, today, something happened. The Saudi Arabian oil refinery was attacked. then they have to, the biggest refinery they have was attacked. They have to shut it down. Then Iran, Qatar have also shut down their own natural gas plant, one of the biggest there. They've also shut it down, like shut down operation for now. And the Israeli oil facility was also attacked today, and that one is not also working. So basically, the attack is not just focusing on military infrastructure. What happened last year is actually extending to economic structures, and that Strait of Hormuz is no more. That's where the major oil facility, about 20% of oil trade passes through, is also temporarily blocked. Vessels are not going there. About two oil ships was attacked, I think, on Sunday. Yeah, so some insurance company have also said that they're not going to insure company vessels that carry oil within that area because if once they bomb that oil, that vessel, that means both the oil in there, probably if it's insured, the insurance company has lost. That vessel cost millions of dollars. Insurance company have also lost. They have to cover it. They have started withdrawing the insurance cover to them so that in case anything happen to them, it's up to them. They won't lose. So we're trying to say that tension is high, and when tension is high, Sandra and Cynthia, what happened in the market is that gold price goes up and oil price goes up when tension is high within the Middle East. Gold goes up and oil price goes up. Then dollar come down. Like we are making profit as well. If I check my trade, we are making profit on oil, on dollar. Because it has got to 1.16. We sold at 17 and 1. Yeah, we sold around 1718. It's now 16. This is current price. That means we should be on profit. So now, what I'm trying to say that when there's tension like that, or dollar could add strength. Do you know why? Because people want to move their money into dollar and move their money into gold. So because of that, dollar will usually get strength. But currently now, dollar has strength and the dollar economy is also very much good. On a long run, we are expecting this market to come down more. Like people that trade on forex, we're expecting it to drop more. Sandra, do you know that even on future, we also have it like as zero USD, like this too. I mean, the main forex trading, we have it like this as well. It's also in pairs. But what happens is that when you buy it, you are buying direct euro. When you sell it, you are selling direct dollar. So we have it like this. So we're expecting the market to come down to maybe by next week it may come down again. Maybe the market may come to 1.4, but I'm expecting 1.5 around this point. Yeah, 1.5. And if it happen, all of us will make more profit as we are still engaging in the market. Nobody knows when the war will cease, and if the war cease and the economic activities return, please take note, Jeto. Take note, if the war cease, economic activity return, the market will crash. I mean, the oil price will drop. So if you are
Yes, yes, I
selling,
know.
so if you are selling, then you can now sell. What we are doing, we're putting our ear on the ground. Iran doesn't want to negotiate. Maybe, but Russia have asked them they should involve in negotiation. But so once this thing happen, and the price of oil market will drop, but I think they're actually angry. They're seriously angry unless something happen that will make them to agree to US terms. So any question, guys? And how many of you that want to join us, I'll be able to register you by myself. Those of you that came new, that want to join us, you want to copy our thread, you want to join, so you could send me your details, I will register you by myself. And while I wait for your question. So before then, can I also talk to Saint Akanhem? I didn't speak to you. Any question? Yeah, you can speak to me, Saint. think you're trying to speak. I didn't hear you.
It's very clear, sir. You're a wonderful teacher.
Oh, okay. Thank you for that feedback. So, guys, I'm waiting for your last question before I end the meeting. And those of you that are joining us, so send me your message, this in directly. Let me, I could get your contact, your WhatsApp, then I'll be able to reach out to you. If you want me to register you by myself, I will register you and help you set up any of the portfolio you want. Whether you want to trade manually, you want to do good hedging, then I can be able to put you through. And those of you that want to learn how to trade from us, then also let us know. We could be able to assist you and provide you the capital that you want in case you want a capital. Okay, so so that's where we end it now. We have spent exactly 1 hour, 1 hour, 7 minutes. The meeting is supposed to last for 1 hour. So I have another meeting coming up in the next hour. So no, about 30 minutes from now. Okay, no, about 20 minutes from now. So guys, this is what took your time. Tomorrow we have a weekly market outlook. How many of you is on our Telegram? Are you on our Telegram? Because we send all the details on our Telegram. So if you're not on our Telegram, make sure you join our Telegram. Then we can be able to onboard you. I would like you guys to, those of you that are new, if you join us this week, then tomorrow you'll be able to participate in our trade and, of course, able to make profit. On Wednesday, we are trading again on Wednesday. This week, most likely we're gonna close all our trade this week on profit. So I see you're starting with us. You're gonna start on a good note where your first month you start it on a good profit. Because the market is good. Don't wait until opportunities go. You now begin to ask how can you join? You join in trading, you make money in trading when there's opportunity to make money. So when the war ceased and the tension reduced, that opportunity is gone. If you want to make more money, you look for another opportunity that is may not obviously not be tension, maybe another thing that we'll not look out for before we start trading. So you come into a new season where you could be able to join us as quick as possible. You could join us while you trade for yourself or while where you learn how to trade and you start using automation while you're learning, or you could join us quickly and start trading by yourself and learning at the same time. Yeah. So this is one unique thing about us. So if you're interested, the website are here. You can be able to can reach out to us and sign up, get every other information that you need, and let's make 2026 money and vibe. I have to let you guys go now so that I can be able to prepare for myself for another meeting I'm having. Is that all right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, boss.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah,